When we sit, we need to adopt the correct posture, therefore sitting on an ergonomic chair that supports the body in the most comfortable way. This video explains how to set an Ahrend office chair in the correct ergonomic way. At first, we will briefly show you what an ergonomic workplace should look like. Afterwards, we will focus on the details, step by step. From seat height to seat depth, the lumbar support, armrest, as well as showing you the correct height of the workstation and the setting of the screen and the keyboard. The synchro mechanism and its pressure. Here we will show you how to perform the settings step by step. We start with seat height. Set your height in such a way that your thighs are horizontal and form an angle of approximately 90 degrees between your upper and lower legs. Seat depth. Set your seat depth at a point where you keep some space between the back of your knee and the front of your seat. Lumbar support. For optimal support, adjust the lumbar support in a way which allows the lumbar support to come out just slightly below the curve of your back. Armrest. Position the height of the armrests to allow your shoulders to relax. The depth and width of the armrests are adjustable to enable correct support of the forearms. Synchro mechanism. Set the back seat's motion in a way that the back of the chair supports you in any position. For optimal support from the synchro mechanism, it's possible to adjust the pressure via the use of the comfort setting. Place your workstation a little lower than the armrest. Position the top of the screen to the same height as your eyes so that your head is level. The keyboard is very important as well. Relax your elbows, wrists and hands as much as possible. When not using the mouse, rest your hands in a relaxed position on the desktop. Sitting comfortably and ergonomically in 7 steps.